Your car went in for work and now it's held hostage. The bill ballooned, or the work was never done, or the shop just stopped returning calls, and they won't release the vehicle. Know the mechanism because there's a real legal structure here. Repair shops have a mechanic's lien, a possessory lien that lets them hold a vehicle until they're paid for work performed. That's legitimate and it exists in every state. What's not legitimate is holding a car for work you never authorized or charges wildly beyond an estimate. And most states have specific auto repair statutes requiring written authorization for work over an estimate, which means the fight is usually about the estimate, not the lien. Move fast, though, because this gets much worse with time. An unpaid lien can eventually lead to a lien sale. The shop can sell your car through a statutory process. People lose vehicles this way while they're still arguing. File with your state's Bureau of Automotive Repair or Consumer Affairs agency today. Those agencies license shops, they have real enforcement power, and shops respond to them in a way they don't respond to you. If the shop closed with your car inside, that's an emergency and a different problem. You need to find the owner and the vehicle before it's auctioned or scrapped. People Locator. SkipTracing.com has been finding business owners and vehicles since 2004. Start your search today and subscribe for more videos.